Hello everyone. In polynomials, we are going to see that how a quadratic polynomial can be formed if the sum and product of its zeros are given. We are having here one formula that you can see here. It is a k constant x square minus alpha plus beta. You know that alpha plus beta is your sum into x plus alpha beta that is your product. If you are given with the sum and product, then with this formula you can frame the quadratic polynomial. Let us see, in this question it is said that sum and product of its zeros are respectively. That means your first term is sum and your second term is your product. So here s is given, that is alpha plus beta is given as 1 upon 4 and your alpha beta is given as minus 1. You can frame the equation directly with this formula, that is k x square, it's minus alpha plus beta is given 1 by 4 x and alpha beta is given, so it is minus 1. Whenever you find any term in the denominator, you take that same term as the value of k. So here let k is equal to 4. When you keep here 4, it becomes 4 x square minus 1 upon 4 x minus 1, and with this you get here, that is when you multiply, this is your 4x square minus x and minus 4. So this is your required quadratic polynomial. If you want to avoid this formula, then there is another method in which you can do, that is here 1 upon 4 is minus b upon a. You can see here s is equal to 1 upon 4, that is what is sum, minus b upon a is equal to 1 upon 4 and minus 1 is c upon a. C upon a is given minus 1. So minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 1. Here value of a is 4 and here it is 1. So whenever you find two values in denominator, you take the value of a as LCM of 1 and 4. So what will be your a? A is equal to LCM of 1 and 4, that is 4. Okay. When you get the value of a as 4, keep a here 4. So what will the value of b? B will be equal to your minus 1. When you keep here 4, your c is equal to minus 4. Once you get the value of a, b and c, you can directly put in this equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c. A is your 4, so it is 4x square. B is your minus 1, so it is minus x, and c is minus 4, and this. In most of the books you will find in this way also. You can see that there is no change in the answer. It is up to you, as I told you, whether you want to use the formula directly or whether you want to go with minus b upon a and c upon a, and the value of denominator is LCM of both the terms. In the same way, we have got one more question. Here your sum is given, that is alpha plus beta is given 0 and your alpha beta is given under root 5. So your equation takes a form k x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. So it is k x square, here sum is 0, so this becomes minus 0x plus under root 5. You can take k is equal to 1 and so it becomes x square plus under root 5, right? Or you can directly write as this, and here you can mention that for k is equal to 1, and the same thing you can do here when you have taken 4 for k is equal to 4. The same thing you can get it by this formula also. So this is how we work out for the quadratic polynomial when its sum and products are given. Thank you.